Hey guys, so I've been getting a few messages about doing vlogs. Vlogs are not really my thing, but cooking is. So if you made it this far, here's a promo code for the Charter that'll give you 15% off. Use the code SMASH because today I'm going to make some smash burgers. These aren't just regular old smash burgers. I'm going to smoke it first and throw it on the griddle. And we got the dogs barking, so here we go. Alright, so we're going to take them and just do regular old balls. Don't really need to season them right now because they're going to go in the smoker. And what I like to use is a 80-20 fat ratio. Because that way when it smokes, it's going to get very, very juicy. It won't dry out. And it's going to taste awesome. These are the best ways to do a smash burger if you have the time, because it's going to go on the smoker at 200 for about 3 hours or until about 100 degrees internal temperature. Your 4 balls, now they'll go over to the smoker. Alright, so I'm going to put them up here on the top rack so they can breathe a little bit, get the smoke to go all around. And again, these will be on here for about 3 hours or until the temperature hits 100 internal. In between, I will be spraying it with a apple cider vinegar bourbon spray. So while those are smoking, I'm going to go ahead and cut the veggies. It's, tomato, onion, lettuce. And I'm going to make a sauce, and I'll show you how to make that sauce. And my phone is ringing now. Of course. Never fails. So I'm going to let that sit in there for about 3 hours, 100 degrees to internal temperature. And right now I'm going to make the sauce. And I'll do step by step, because this sauce, if you do hamburgers and you just put ketchup and mayo or mustard on, you're doing yourself a disservice. Alright guys, so my audio went out, which is a total bummer, so now I have to dub this audio. So yeah, anyways, we're going to do the ingredients for the sauce. So we're going to start off with some mayo, and nothing is measured. I just kind of know how to make it, so when you're making it, you're going to have to test it out a little bit. So we'll start off with the mayo, and then we're going to add a Dijon mustard to the mix, and have a little trouble getting it out because it's a new bottle. Come on. You got it. Oh, there you go. All right. And then we're going to add some sriracha. I think they call it... Oh, no. This is the garlic paste. We want a little bit of garlic paste in there. And now we're going to add the sriracha. I think they call it Chinese or Japanese ketchup, or no, soy sauce is Japanese ketchup. Anyways, so freshly ground pepper and salt. It's pink Himalayan salt. Don't use table salt to cook. Don't use Morton's. That does not belong in your food. It's the worst. Get some sea salt. Your food will taste a lot better. So here we're going to stir it up. We're going to get it going. And I'm going to get going. And this sauce is so good. I came up with this a few years ago. I don't know the technical names. I'm not a chef. I'm not a cook. I just know how to cook. So yeah, I just call it sauce. So we're going to get the griddle going. Put some olive oil on. It's extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to spread it around here with the spatula. And we're going to get the burgers on. Here we go. We got the burgers coming on. They're freshly out of the smoker. Again, they were on the smoker at 200 degrees for, actually it came out to be less than 3 hours. It was about 2 hours before it hit the 100 degree internal temperature. And now we're going to have them on. We put them on for about a minute and a half, and then you do the smash. Let them get on the griddle for about a minute and a half, and then do your smash. If you don't have a griddle, this works on a pan. You're gonna have to figure out how to do the smoking part of this if you don't have a smoker. A barbecue could work if you just get like a little, like a smoke tube. They sell them at Walmart. They're like $10, I think. So yeah, so I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to the burgers now, and you want to cook each side for about 2.5 minutes. You want a nice medium burger, not medium rare, not a hockey puck. You want a nice warm pink center. Like those sizzle sounds? Did those myself. Here we're going to put on the buns. They are brioche buns. Make sure you get a bun that you're going to like. For this type of burger, I always use a brioche bun. So fancy. So yeah, we're going to get them on there. Get it going. And when these are ready to flip, the buns will be pretty much done. But look at that color. Oh yeah. So that's the bourbon, just the smoke, and man, now that I'm editing this and watching it, look at that sizzle. Alright, so we're going with American cheese from the deli. Don't grab Kraft singles. Don't do it. You're making these burgers for your family, use good cheese. This is Dietz & Watson. Doesn't matter what brand, just as long as it comes out of the deli and not a little square pack of crap. Alright, here we're going to go ahead and start making the burger now. So that's how I like my buns toasted. We're going to go ahead and grab the sauce, and we're going to dollop and spread. Dollop and spread. Yeah. So yeah, you want a good amount on there because you want to taste it. And we're going to go ahead and grab the first patty. Look at that. Look at that cheese that's like crisp off. Oh yeah. Let's grab an onion. I have a little problem grabbing it, but hey, let's grab that onion and a tomato. I like to do one. You can do multiples. You can do whatever you want. This is just a basic, awesome smash burger recipe that I do. We don't go to McDonald's and stuff like that because seriously, this whole dinner with I did pick up French fries. Because my son loves French fries, daughter, everyone loves French fries, whatever. Meat, buns, cheese. I had most of the stuff for the sauce, but yeah, look at that thing. It's about $17, and that fed a family of 4. So yeah, made 4 burgers, and I'm probably saying something like, "Oh man, look at this," and this thing's gonna taste awesome. Check that out. Look at the bad lighting. But hey, taking that first bite, and yep, it's good. It's good. So, if you made it this far, that is so awesome. Thank you so much. If you can, leave a like on the video. And if you want me to maybe start a cooking channel, comment in the comment section. Start a cooking channel. I can pretty much make anything. Again, I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, I've never been a cook. I just know how to pretty much cook anything. On trial and error. And, yep, taking that last bite, and that was a pretty good burger. And, probably thinking about the video I did a long time ago, eating a hamburger in public in Vegas. So, while you're still here, check out these videos right here.